What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I take to Disneyland and all the little essentials that I believe that you should also take too for your next trip for when you go to Disneyland. Let's get started. So the first thing of course is the bag you'll be taking. This is the bag that I usually take, or I prefer to take. The reason why I prefer to take this one is because it's light, I like it, it's not too heavy. When it's like a hot day, it doesn't get too hot either, and also it has this zipper on the side, so if I need to grab something really quick, I don't have to open it and go through all my stuff when I know it's just right here on the side. As well as it has pockets, and I like to be a little bit more organized when I go to Disneyland, and I like to know that everything has its own little compartment in my bag, so it just helps me out when I'm looking for stuff and when I'm also packing it as well. But everything that I usually take also can just fit in a regular drawstring backpack. If you have one of these, it doesn't have to be, you know, super big, super whatever or anything, as long as it's comfortable for you and that you can wear it all day throughout the whole park. And remember, you'll be walking a lot when you're in the park, so it's best to get a backpack that helps you not carry so much weight and not be like heavy or just plain awful. So make sure to choose the right bag for when you go to the parks. The second thing that I always take to the parks is a sweater. Even if it's on a hot summer day, the parks tend to get a little bit colder at night, so it's best that you take a light sweater or a jacket just like this one. This one's Star Wars of course, so it is one that I usually do take to Disney. And especially when it's like summer, because this one is really light, and although like it may be sort of a hot day and it's sort of like a breeze at night, this one just for sure keeps me warm and make sure that I don't get cold throughout the night, or when I'm heading back home I don't get cold, or I can just like, you know, cover myself up in the car and just take a nap for when I get home. A super important item that I take to Disneyland of course are my hats. I rarely wear this Oswald hat, but I actually really do like it a lot. I got it in California Adventure, and I mean I like it, it's super cute. I love Oswald. But the one that I do take almost always to the park is this one. It's just a regular classic Mickey Mouse hat, and then on the back it has my name on it. So I've had this for a while already, but I really do like all the other hats and ears and stuff like that, as well as I have a Uzma Kappa hat and a Monsters University hat. So I do wear those on summer days when there's a lot of sun and a lot of heat, and so it helps me cover my face. You should totally take a hat on hot days, so to make sure that you're protecting your face from the sun and you don't get sun damage or sunburn. And I think it's totally great if you totally take a hat. Going back to protecting yourself from the sun on hot days, I always take sunglasses. Of course, I mean, you don't want to hurt your eyes when you're on rides, like on roller coasters like the Incredicoaster or Big Thunder Railroad, and the sun is just in your eyes and you want to enjoy the ride and see the scenery that's around you. So it's always best just to take sunglasses and keep them in your backpack to make sure that you protect your eyes from the sun. Another thing that you should take, and that I take as well, is a phone charger of course. You know, I always take a phone charger with me just in case my phone dies or it's on low battery and I want to charge it, of course, since I'll be there all day at the park. And I keep it inside this little container that I got actually from Beats headphones, and it came with this. Unfortunately my Beats headphones stopped working, so I didn't have anything else to do with the case, so I ended up using it as a sort of little holder for my phone case. As well, it holds chapstick, and you can hold any little things that you want, like band-aids and such. And yeah, if you have something like this or you know something like this, please let me know in the comments, because I would totally love to get more of little things like this so I can put more things, because I love being organized when I go to Disneyland. So something I believe that you should totally have going into the park, especially what I said before about charging your phone, is a portable charger. So I know a lot of people who take portable chargers. Almost everybody takes a portable charger. It's kind of something already known that you should totally take one. They do have portable chargers in the park that they do sell, but they're around $30, and of course I don't want you to spend that much. If I knew what kind of portable charger this was, I would totally tell you guys. It was given to me as a gift, but if you know what it is, put it in the comments. Thank you, and because I would totally get another one if I could. This one works very well. I can charge it overnight and it'll last me at least 2 days in the park alone, so it actually works really well, and I totally recommend it, this one. And I mean, it's just simple. You just plug it in and everything. You press this button right here and it'll start charging your phone. Simple. So totally, if you have a portable charger, for sure take it with you to the park. You're gonna need it, trust me. So this one is especially for the photographers and all the people who film their experiences at Disney. So this right here is from Apple, and it's for Apple products, of course. And what it does is that you stick your SD card here in this slot and you plug this into your phone, and you're able to import all of your photos that you have taken on your camera on your phone instantly. So you just plug it in, you put in the SD card, and then you plug it into your phone, and then you go to your photos and you're able to select which ones you want to import, and then it'll import them into your camera roll. So for example, if you've taken a photo at the castle, or you were taking photos with one of the characters and you want to post it on your Insta story or Snapchat or wherever you would like, you just simply put in the SD card from the camera that you used, and then you plug it into your phone, and then you go into your photos and you select those photos, and then you're able to import them, and it'll import them in less than a minute. I think it's the best product I've ever bought, hands down. And I use it for school, I use it for all of my vlogs, I use it for anything that I use on my camera. I 100% use this, and it comes in instantly on my phone, and I love it so much. So it was around $30 at Apple. I think it's the best investment that I've ever made. So for sure, if you're able to buy one, get one, and you'll love it, especially for everybody who takes photos at Disneyland. So another thing that I take is this. It's a charger for my batteries for my camera, and I always take 2 batteries to the park, just in case one of them dies while I'm taking videos or I'm taking photos throughout the day. It's always best to take 2 batteries if you can, in case that your camera dies while you're on a ride, or you're about to get on a ride and you want to film it, or you're about to go meet one of the characters and it dies. Make sure that you have an extra battery that's fully charged, so in case of emergency, you're always able to put it back into your camera and continue on with your day. As well as I take the charger just in case I do find an outlet throughout the day that's unused, so I can totally just charge any battery that was dead before, or if I didn't charge a battery the night before, I can just charge it so I have something just in case. Alright, so one of the main things that I do take to the park every time I go is a camera. This is the camera that I use to vlog, and I also take photos on this as well. It's small, it's portable, it's light, that I can take it everywhere all day, and I don't have to worry about it getting heavy or it being super big that I can't carry it all day. It is a Sony A6000. I think it's great. I got it off of Amazon, as well as it came with this tripod that I use to like hold it. You can also like bend it so you can wrap it around any like ride railings if you're gonna be filming the ride. And I love it. I love it, honestly. I use it for everything. The camera that I use to film this video and to film my other videos is a Nikon D3400, and I got that at Target, but I usually take this one to the parks. Last but not least, the last thing that I take to the park is this. So it's my pin trading bag, and it has all my little pins in there. Right now, a lot of my pins are on my wall, and I can totally show you guys in another video, or you can see them on my TikTok. And I love this little bag. I got it at Disneyland, and inside it I usually carry all the pins that I'll be trading that day or I want to trade, and then as well as I put in all my new ones that I buy. I usually buy a pin every time I go to Disneyland. I'm a big pin trader. I love it so much, and I love it. If I'm not trading any pins that day, then I usually just don't take it, or I do take it and I put little essential things like band-aids and hand sanitizer in here. I kind of use it as a little first aid kit if I need to, but other than that, that's everything that I take to Disneyland. Before I end the video, I just want to say this is usually everything that I do take to Disneyland. I rarely take food to the park, but if I know I'm going to be short on money that day, I do take snacks like chips, maybe sandwiches, or granola bars. I totally say you should totally take those. They do help out, they do help you save money. I can totally do another video on how to save money at Disneyland, because usually at most I spend maybe $40 on food and merchandise. For those of you who go to Disneyland a lot, you for sure know that that's not enough money to spend at Disneyland, but I can totally tell you how to make it work. And if you want, like and subscribe and comment, and I'll for sure make another video of how to save money at Disneyland. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I hope you guys have an awesome day and are staying safe and staying home, and I'll for sure see you guys in another video.